I've gotten a lot of requests to try and make a 5-ball juggling tutorial, so that's what I'm going to do for you today. So the first thing you're going to want to practice when learning to do 5-ball juggling is you're going to want to learn the snake with 3 balls. Now if you're trying to get to 5 balls, I'm sure you probably already know this, but just as a review, I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to want to take 3 in one hand, and then you're going to want to toss all 3 of these to this hand, and when you're done, you're going to want to toss all these, the ones in this hand, over to this hand. It's going to look something like this. Well, that's going to be a basic part of the 5-ball pattern. And you're also going to want to learn to do it with 2 balls, but it's going to be a little bit different. It should look something like this. You're going to want to do the same thing, take 2 in one hand. You're going to want to do basically the same thing, but with 2 balls, so it's going to look similar, just like that. Once you get those down, you should have the basic pattern down. The basic pattern is, in fact, just a cascade pattern, just like the 3, only it's a little bit faster, and you're going to add 2 balls in there. So if you want to practice that, you're going to want to learn to do a flash. It's just basically just throw 3 balls in the air, and before you throw all 3 in the air before you catch one of them. So it should just look something like this. Simple enough. I recommend also, before you try learning 5 balls, that you learn 4-ball juggling. If you want to learn that, I have a tutorial on my profile for 4-ball juggling. And that's just basically to get the speed of it. So learn the 4-ball juggling. Maybe get it lower and lower to get the hang of the speed. The pattern's different, but it's still a good practice to learn it. Then, once you're ready to get on to 5, you're going to want to start out just doing it really slow. Just flashing them up. Don't catch them. Just flash them up like this. Make sure they get in the arc of the cascade perfectly before you start to try and catch and throw. Just make sure they go in the right pattern when you do it. So, pick them up, and you do it again. Then, as you go, you just keep getting faster. Get doing it faster. And if you can get going really fast with the pattern, then you should start trying catching them. Try to catch them. Sometimes it took me a really long time to learn, but just with practicing and continuously doing it, eventually I got it. Sorry if this wasn't much help. It's a lot harder to teach, and then it's a lot harder to learn than 4-ball juggling. I know I've got a lot of comments on my 4-ball juggling tutorial. And I think it's much easier to teach, so if you have a hard time with this one, please write me and I'll try and help you out. Thanks.